Hello, everyone. Welcome to another review class for our lab students. And today we shall be focusing on sublingual veins. Okay, examining the sublingual veins is quite crucial because you'll be able to see things before things get worse, no? Okay, so let's interpret this one. Okay, Sir Joe Bell, if the sublingual veins are distended but not dark, anong ibig sabihin?
Ah, ibig sabihin po, Doc, chi deficiency and stagnation po. Pag ganyan ang makikita sa
So could
ilalim
be
ng
deficiency or stagnation. Okay.
uh,
What if the sublingual veins are thin, payat?
uh, yin deficiency po. Pag ganyan.
Okay. Just like somebody we know, no? Payat din.
Uh,
Kung payat, payat
payat
din.
din ang katawan.
Okay. Now, what if kanina you're talking about the sublingual vein that is distended, but it's not dark. It's chi stagnation or chi deficiency. But this time, what happens? What if you see a sublingual vein that is distended and both distended and dark?
Blood stasis in upper burner or
Okay,
upper jaw.
so if you see this kind of this appearance, no, of the sublingual veins, so definitely there's an issue in the upper burner, which is occupied by your heart and lungs, diba?
Oo.
Now, what if sublingual veins are dark but dry?
Dark and dry, severe yin deficiency and empty head po.
Okay,
Dark and
let's say
dry.
no. Now, if the sublingual veins are dark, it's not thin, but it's swollen and wet. What does that mean?
Um, Lung, spleen, and kidney deficiency with accumulation of fluids.
So we can say na these three have something to do with fluid metabolism, no? Fluid
Kikita lang.
accumulation, lung, spleen, kidney. Now, if the sublingual veins are reddish and shiny,
Reddish. Damp head po. Pag ganyan daw.
okay,
Damp head.
yellowish sublingual veins,
Dampness lang.
white and
It's,
slippery. Actually, ang white dito, I think it's the parang yung
I think
plastic na nakatabon, no? But some, yeah, minsan it's the vein that is, okay, white and
parang may
slippery.
cellophane. Cold dampness.
Okay. Okay.
Cold damp.
Swollen,
White and sticky.
white, and sticky.
Uh, Dampness and blood stasis. Kasi swollen yung tongue. Saka
Okay.
may white. Saka sticky.
Okay. What should be the normal color of the sublingual veins be?
Uh, Pale red color.
Okay. Okay. When you see the veins clearly, so obviously, dapat hindi natin masyadong napapansin yung veins, no? But if they are clearly visible, anong ibig sabihin nito?
Pathological na po siya.
Okay. What
Pathological.
do the sublingual veins signify? Why do we always look at the why should we look at the sublinguals?
Is early indicator of blood stasis before rest of tongue becomes purple.
Okay. Yeah. Kasi pag purple na, medyo late na, no?
May
Okay.
na, may namumuo na. May namumuo.
Okay. Chinek mo yung sublingual veins, tapos dark. Ano ibig sabihin nun?
Walang kaduda-duda. Blood stasis.
Okay. It will not
Stagnant.
necessarily mean na purple din yung tongue body, di ba? Mm-mm.
Uh,
So, unahin muna natin yung sublinguals. Now, what if the sublinguals are too thin, too payat?
iron deficiency din.
Okay. The sublingual veins are distended, dark, and purple.
Upper burner bloodstasis, lung hit or liver bloodstasis.
Okay. Now, P syndrome, which is painful obstruction syndrome. Okay, ang patient nagko-complain na may pain, no? Let's say dampness. Okay. Tapos, when you look at the sublinguals, reddish and shiny. What is the pathology?
Damp hit,
Okay.
damp
Now,
hit.
P syndrome pa rin, nagko-complain ng pain, pero when you look at the sublingual veins, yellowish siya.
Dampness din po.
Okay, so here we can really see that if you check the sublinguals, it can even help you with the diagnosis already, the etiology, no? Diba? So usually yung mga wind cold, wind dampness, yan ang nagkukos ng ating shoulder pain. Okay, in P syndrome, B syndrome pa rin, chinek mo yung sublinguals, white siya and slippery.
Hmm, cold damp,
Okay.
cold damp. Pag ganyan.
P syndrome pa
White as
rin, chinek mo yung sublingual, swollen, white, and sticky.
dampness and bloodstasis po. Swollen, white and sticky.
Blood stasis.
Dampness and bloodstasis. Oo.
So, ibig sabihin, okay. Sticky yung dampness. Swollen could be blood stasis then. Okay. In modern Chinese medicine, what do the dark purple sublingual veins signify?
Is the hardening brain arteries.
Okay. Cerebral
Hardening.
arteriosclerosis.
Oh,
Okay. Pero kung takutin yung pasyente, ha, hindi ka pa
arteriosclerosis.
tao. Okay.
Sige, hindi ka
So,
mag-donate. Ganyan ang mangyari sa iyo.
hindi, wag ganon. No, it's bad. Um, actually, nag-harden pa lang, hindi pa nagma-manifest. So, yeah. Hardening of the brain arteries, dark purple. So this is already accepted, no? Okay, what if this is also very common, promise, especially sa mga pasyente na matigas ang ulo. Distended siya, dark and crooked, nag-anastomose. Ano ba to? Di pala, yung parang, hindi siya straight. Hmm.
Oo. Balikog.
Yes.
Hardening of arteries and hypertension.
Okay, ibig sabihin matanda. At tumitigas na yung mga ugat, no? And hypertension. Hypertension, yeah, crooked.
Related
Okay.
din po, Doc, yung kondok, yung blood at saka chi deficiency din or stagnation pag ganyan. Pag may hardening.
Pag may hardening, hindi na maganda yung flow, obviously.
Oh,
So,
yes.
kahit i-improve mo yung chi and blood flow, pag hindi mo na-address yung issue, wala pa rin. So, agapan mo na. No? Okay, in
Okay.
modern Chinese medicine, may nakita kang small nodules like rice or wheat grain. This is also very common.
Hardening of the arteries and heart disease po pag
Okay,
ganyan.
pa-check mo na ECG to the echo. Refer na. So, kanina,
AACG.
yeah, hardening of arteries. So, pag medyo crooked, hypertensive, plus hardening of the arteries. Or pag
Hmm.
parang may mga small nodules, no? Like rice, heart disease, and hardening. Okay, multiple choice. You can have one or more answers. Abnormal sublingual veins may be narrower than 2.7 millimeters, be darker, have grape-like clusters, be shorter than 50% of the length of the tongue.
One is darker
Okay,
and the second is have a grape like clusters.
okay. Pag may grape-like clusters, ano ibig sabihin nun? Merong hardening of the arteries and most likely heart.
Blood
Yes.
bloodstasis
Yeah,
din.
so correct. Darker and have grape-like clusters. What do distended? Okay, this time distended na ha. The key word here is distended. Sublingual veins.
Hmm. Blood stagnation na yan.
Okay. Another name for sublingual veins is hypoglossal veins sa ilalim ng dila. Normal hypoglossal veins is no greater than blank, the distance from sublingual caruncle, which is the base of the tongue, to the tip of the tongue. So, yun. Ano siya?
Yung 1/3 lang po ang
Not
dapat
greater than
makabit.
one-third. No?
Oo,
Actually, hindi mo
not
siya
greater.
mapapansin eh. So,
Oo,
tingnan natin yung mga dila na
sa ilalim.
ilalim.
Tingin-tingin.
I think this is very important, no? Especially when you have family history. So, pwedeng mamanahin mo. So, mag-ingat na, di ba? Okay, what are
Tama.
abnormal changes in the hypoglossal veins? There are six. Let's start with the shape.
Shape of vein is bulging due to varicosities.
Okay,
Length of veins
nagbabulge siya,
extend.
no? So wait lang, shape yung vein is nagbabulge. So abnormal siya.
Bulging.
What is another? Let's go to the length of the vein.
Extended past midpoint of length of tongue.
Okay, sinasabi dito, depende sa book mo, kanina sinabi mo less than one-third. Basta one-third to
Oo.
one-half, no? So if the length of
Oo.
the vein extends past the midpoint of the length of the tongue from the base to the tip of the tongue, then that's definitely abnormal, no? Let's talk
Pag hindi
about the branches of the hypoglossal vein.
are visible or are infilled as hypoglossal vein proper.
Okay. Ito na yung tinatawag nating ano, yeah, parang varicosity. Nagbabranch na siya, no? Have you seen patients like this? Do you always look at under the tongue?
Yes, pag mayroong chronic na asthma at saka nahihirapan paghinga daw.
Okay, asthma is lung, so nasa upper
Oo.
burn. Yeah.
Upper
Most
bronchial
likely,
po.
hindi lang asthma ang problem niyan. Okay, what is another one? Well, what about the color?
Darker than usual.
Okay, ano ba usual color niya? Sinagot mo na
Dapat
kanina. Pale.
fill rate.
Okay. Number
Kunti lang yung
five.
pula, hindi masyado mapula.
Okay. What about tingnan mo rin yung ends ng veins, no? Yung mga kaduluduluhan. What do you notice?
Cystic. Cystic with thick round processes that may resemble a cluster of grapes.
Okay, parang may grapes, no? Ito na yung mga
Oh.
nodules. And lastly,
Ang-
do we have the
yung
diameter?
iba dok, mas matindi pa rin, mas matindi pa dok yung iba. Parang maitim na talaga, hindi lang purple, mas maitim pa.
Okay.
Mm.
So next, diameter.
Lang, diameter wider than 2.7 millimeter.
Okay, good. Okay. Ano ibig sabihin nito? Tinignan mo yung sublingual veins, pale and flat.
Blood deficiency or Chi deficiency po.
So hindi siya distended. Pag distended, ano na siya, at pag swollen, may stasis na, no? May stagnation. Okay. Milky appearance of the sublingual veins. Maraming ganito, promise. Milky. Lalo na pag malaki ang tiyan. Okay.
Dampness and phlegm.
Okay. Sublingual veins longer than normal is a sign of what?
Hit, hit.
Yes. Small veins on the lower surface of the tongue changing color and shape is a sign of what?
Blood stagnation po.
Okay. Small purple spots appearing on the underside of the tongue is a sign of, so hindi lang puro veins ang tinitingnan mo ha, pati mga spots, purple. So this is a sign of,
Blood stagnation din po.
okay. Meron ka na bang ano, may nabebentang, tingnan ko nadala ko ba? May halogen yung pen light. Halogen
Wala.
and yellow.
Hindi pa ako nakaganyan. Baka
Maghanap ka. Okay, extended veins on the underside of the tongue. What does that mean?
init po. Heat.
Yes. Purple spots on the underside of the tongue. Paulit-ulit.
Blood stagnation din po.
Okay, very good. Sublingual veins are thin, short, light red, with obvious small blood vessels around them. Tapos, yung tongue color is pale. Ano ibig sabihin nito?
Basta Bill, may problema na sa blood at saka may problema din sa
So,
chi and blood deficiency.
okay, very good. If the sublingual veins are thick, blue purple, purple red, crimson purple, purple black with dark red or purple net-like small vessels, or bead-like red purple nodules. Ano ibig sabihin nito?
Blood stasis din. May
Okay.
namumuo na.
So,
Makikita
sanay na
dito.
sanay na.
Bilog-bilog.
This is how we're going to go about sa wellness ha. Ako, I always look at the tongue, under the tongue first. And then we go siguro step by step. The next thing we shall focus on siguro is tongue coating. Okay? Mastery. Now let's go to a case. Hmm. Okay, the patient is 38 years old, male. As you can see, mukhang bata-bata pa yung may-ari ng tongue. What do you see? Obviously, this is not pale. Ano, I'm sorry.
Oo.
Oo. Tapos, yung coating niya pala. Let's look at the coating first. Yellow, no? So, tapos yung tongue is swollen. Tapos may sticky, no? Greasy, dry coating. Dry. Tapos, titingnan mo ito, medyo mapula yung sides, no? So, pag nakita mo yellow,
Fully.
tapos ito medyo prominent yung sides, so you'll think of heat. But aside from that, the coating is slippery or sticky, no? But dry, so it's
Oo.
damp and heat. Okay?
Damp.
So there is heat in the
Yung
liver
sa,
with,
oh.
do you agree?
Yung sa gilid, Doc. Yung sa gilid, Doc, shiny siya at saka parang may mayroong grasa po. Tambok.
Gilid. This
Parang
is
oily.
this
Oo.
is ano, heat in the liver. Pero 'di ba like
Oo.
sides pa rin, um this is not the center eh, no? We also consider this the gallbladder, no? The 'Di ba
Oo.
bladder,
Gallbladder.
we look
Heat.
at the coating. Okay?
Mm.
So may long-standing retention of damp heat in the liver and gallbladder. Now let's look at the veins. Ano nakikita mo? Is this a normal sublingual vein? Una-una, it
No.
occupies more than half, right?
Oo.
Anong kulay ng vein? Una-una, ano ba siya? Payat ba siya or distended?
Distended na malaki na eh. Taas.
Yeah. Distended,
Oo.
tapos medyo, o basta iba siya. Ano pa ba?
Iba na siya.
Okay. Now,
Alarming.
di ba sinabi natin kanina, it should be the upper burner, no? There's a blood stagnation. But in this case, it is so obvious
Oo.
that the liver had something to do with it, no? So, actually, ang case ng pasyente, no, hepatitis C siya for 13 years. So, kung alam mo na may hepatitis C, so
Mhm.
isipin mo kagad yung liver. At saka matagal na, 13 years. Then, meron siyang history of heroin and
May,
alcohol abuse. That's what makes this so hot, no? Epigastric fullness,
mahilig din sa mga iyaw.
sharp pains in the right hypochondrium, so that's very gallbladder, liver.
Oo.
There's also fatigue and muscle pains. Okay, so that's about it. Thank you everyone for joining. Thank you, Sir Joe Bell.
Yes, Doc. God bless.
God bless. Wait lang, di pa tayo tapos.